Insta story loading problem, easy solution. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the Instagram story loading problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to solve Instagram stories loading problem, first of all, long press the Instagram app icon, then just tap on the I button that you see, which will take you to the app info page. From here, simply go to storage, clear cache, and clear data. Now, clearing the data by tapping on delete will delete any of the data you have in Instagram app, such that it will log you out of your account, so you have to re-log in. Keeping that thing in mind, open up your Play Store and search for Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update your Instagram app to the latest version. After you do that, just try to restart your device and then just try to reopen Instagram, and then there you should be able to fix all the story problems. This way you can solve Insta story loading problem. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.